So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on apps. Now you're going to click on installed apps. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the application that you want to enable or disable from running in the background. So you could either scroll down and find it, or you could just search for it. So let's say that I want to do it for my camera right here. I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on advanced options. Just so you know, advanced options is not going to come for every application. It's going to mostly be for applications that you download from the Microsoft Store and that are by the Microsoft Corporation. But some of them that are not from this will have it. So you're going to click on advanced options, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. Now where it says background app permissions, let apps run in the background, you're going to click on the drop down, and if you want to disable it, you're going to set this to never. And if you want to enable it, you can make it either always or power optimize recommended. Power optimize recommended is still going to run in the background, but it's going to be using less power. So if you want to enable it, go with always or power optimize. If you want to disable it, then go with never.